Tired of wrestling with endless spreadsheets to understand your SEO performance? Let's unlock the power of your Semrush position tracking data by connecting it to Looker Studio, giving you a clear, customizable view of your SEO progress in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you're logged into both your Semrush and Looker Studio accounts. In Looker Studio, click the Create button in the top left corner and select Report. Now, you need to connect your data in the Add Data to Report panel. Search for the Semrush connector. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar. Select the Semrush connector. You'll be prompted to authorize Looker Studio's access to your Semrush account. Go ahead and authorize that. Next, choose the specific Semrush project you want to pull data from. Then, select Position Tracking as your data source. Click Connect in the top right corner. Looker Studio will now import your position tracking data. From here, you can start building your dashboard. Add charts, tables, and scorecards to visualize your keyword rankings, competitor performance, and SERP feature insights. Customize your dashboard with filters and date ranges to focus on specific time periods or keyword groups. Now you can monitor your SEO efforts, track progress, and make data-driven decisions with ease.